Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gunnus in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of masala chole rice. It's an easy method and everybody can do, even small kids also. It's a very simple method and with the help of white chickpeas, soak into the water for 4 hours minimum and strain it, take into the bowl. You can see how the chickpeas is. You can eat raw also. It will smash easily. Don't cook it, just fry it and add rice. The ingredients are soaked chickpeas, tomato dices, garam masala powder, cumin powder and coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric, coriander chop and pudina chop. Curry leaves is an optional. You can add in Indian tadka, that's why. Onion dices, green chilli rhombus cut into like rhombus cutting, and whole garam masala, bay leaves, cumin seeds, cinnamon, cloves, salt as required, and cooked rice, oil for roasting. This is the ingredients for masala chole rice. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Pour the oil. Heat it. Then add whole garam masala, next add green chilies, then add onions, diced onions, cook it nicely and add a little bit of salt for golden brown color. With the help of salt it will come easily. So add a little bit. Next add ginger garlic paste. Half spoon is enough. And cook it until raw smell goes. The white chickpea is very useful for proteins and rich fiber. Next add curry leaves and tomato. Add a little bit of turmeric powder and chili powder. 2 tablespoons is enough for 1 tomato. Add little bit of water. And add garam masala powder. Cook it. Next add chole, soaked chole, and cook it for 2 minutes. Chickpeas is great for weight loss. It's loaded with lots of fiber. Cooked rice on top. And add little bit of salt and coriander. Mix it nicely. The rice will coat the curry. Spread the coriander chop like this. Then add rice on top. Make like this for if you want to see colorful food, and demold it. See how it's look. On top you can add the garnish like white chickpeas cooked and sprinkle whatever you want, coriander or onions, anything. So I'm garnishing like this. Masala chole rice is done. Masala chole rice is done. You can see. Now I'm tasting. It's getting a nice flavor biryani because of I'm frying in biryani masala, Indian whole masalas, and it's when I'm tasting, it's getting a pulao taste or an something biryani flavor. This is a nice recipe you can follow, and thanks for watching.